Okay guys, 2019 Ford Expedition Max, present you from Real Deal Auto. This is a clean title, clean Carfax, never damaged vehicle. This is a rear wheel drive vehicle. It does not have four wheel drive. Cloth seats. This is the 8-passenger model. 2 keys. Oh, just over 100,000 miles on it. Cruise control, temp, backup camera. All your different options. Apple CarPlay. Power windows, locks, mirrors, all-weather floor mats. No holes in the seat. Here's your VIN number. Running boards. Good tires. Rear controls. Does have a tow package back there.
David Avakian.
Again, 2019 Ford Expedition Max, rear wheel drive, 3.5 twin turbo motor, clean title, clean Carfax. No paint work on it's ever been done. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.